Hey guys, so I got this Kidda 1285 right here. It's really cool. I got it from Hydraulic 160 YT on YouTube. He's my best friend. Go check out his channel. And anyway, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and testing video. So there it is. There's the wire harness. And these Fyrnetics alarms use round prongs in the wire harnesses. Here's the device itself, and we just disconnect it from the mounting bracket. Pop in the batteries. Oh my gosh, I might have to pause the recording to pop in the batteries because they like to pop out if I don't hold them with both hands. So I may have to pause the recording. Oh. Okay, good. I do not have to pause the recording because it's actually cooperating. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I do have to pause the recording. Yeah, I'm pausing the recording. Hold on. Alright. I got the batteries in. Finally. It took forever. Here's the alarm out of its box. So here it is. It's a really nice alarm. Made on March 1st, I think, of 1993. Or January 3rd, 93. I don't really know. I think it's March 3rd, though. And we're gonna go and test it. And it has tape over it, so it won't be as loud. Yeah, it does 4-6 pulse, and the light pulses with the 4-6. So that's actually really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get off of here and box this back up and use it and play with it later. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know if you can comment because my voice might still sound too close to a kid's voice and then they won't let you comment. But maybe. But don't forget to like and subscribe, definitely. And like I said, go check out my best friend Hydraulic 160's channel. And thank you, Hydraulic, for this alarm. Thanks, bestie.